In what is seen as a gesture of religious harmony, a petition has been filed by the Muslim residents of Jamia Nagar in Delhi against an alleged builder mafia for their attempt to demolish a Hindu temple in Noor Nagar area and flare up communal tension. The petition filed in the Delhi High Court has alleged that the builders are trying to demolish the temple with illegal and crooked ways and are also encroaching upon the temple land. The Delhi High Court has noted the submissions made by the 206 Ward Committee of Jamia Nagar, saying Dharmashala of the mandir has been demolished overnight in a haste and the entire area has been leveled so that the same can be encroached upon by illegal miscreants or builders. The Delhi High Court bench of Justice Sanjeev Sachdeva has given an order in favor of the petitioners on September 24th. Police shall ensure that there is no illegal unauthorized encroachment on the said area and the area which is shown as mandir in the layout plan shall be preserved and protected. They shall also ensure that there is no law and order issue at the spot. Petitioners of the Ward Committee of Noor Nagar in their plea before the court had pointed out that the mandir was established in 1970 and is marked in the DDA layout plans. Since the establishment of the mandir in the year 1970, puja and kirtanas have been taking place without any hindrance from anyone. There were around 8 to 10 idols in the mandir for the purpose of puja and other religious purposes, which now have been removed by the miscreants, said the petition. It is very important to submit here that to create communal tension in the area and among the communities, some unknown builders or miscreants having the backing of local builders have started encroaching illegally and demolishing the mandir and dharmashala situated at 184 Jori Farm adjacent to Noor Nagar. They are raising a building for the purpose of selling flats on the said mandir land and earning money by creating communal tension in the locality with ulterior motive and with malified intention, it added. News Desk, Kaumudi Global.